I am Jenny, your tutor here in BSEd tutorial. Today, I will discuss about energy and work. Energy is one of the most fundamental parts of our universe. We use energy to do work. Energy lights our cities, although it powers our vehicles, trains, planes, and rockets. Moreover, energy warms our homes, cooks our food, plays our music, and gives us pictures on television. Furthermore, energy powers machinery in factories and tractors on a farm. Everything we do is connected to energy in one form to another. So what is energy? Energy is defined as a property of objects which is transferred to other objects or converted into different forms. Similarly, energy does its work by transfer or conversion. Therefore, what is the difference between energy transfer and energy conversion? Energy transfer is the movement of energy from one form to another, such as heat rising above a fire or a ball being thrown, while energy conversion is when energy changes from one form to another, for instance as when wind turbines generate electric power. In addition to energy is that energy is never lost nor gained. It simply moves or changes. Moreover, the total amount of energy has stayed the same since the dawn of time. Besides, energy can exist in many different forms. Furthermore, all forms of energy are either kinetic energy or potential energy. The energy associated with motion is called kinetic energy. Likewise, kinetic energy is that something has because it is moving, such as a rolling ball or a falling stone. Besides, kinetic energy increases in proportion with the velocity of an object squared. So, a car has 4 times more kinetic energy of 40 km per hour than a 20 km per hour. Yet, the energy that is associated with position is called potential energy. An object can store energy as the demolition machine is storing energy when it is held at an elevated position. This stored energy of position is referred to as potential energy. So, we can conclude that potential energy is the stored energy of position possessed by an object. We are now going to proceed to our last topic, which is work. An example of work is a pitcher throwing a ball. A baseball pitcher does positive work on the ball by applying a force to it over the distance it moves while in his grip. Then what is work? Work, in physics, is the measure of energy is moved over a distance by an external force, at least part of which is applied in the direction of the displacement. If the force is constant, work may be computed by multiplying the length of the path by the component of the force acting along the path. Work done on the body is accomplished not only by a displacement of the body as a whole from one place to another, but also, for example, by compressing a gas, by rotating a shaft, and even by causing invisible motions of the particles within a body by an external magnetic force. No work, as understood in this context, is done unless the object is displaced in some way and there is a component of the force along the path over which object is moved. Holding a heavy object stationary does not transfer energy to it because there is no displacement. Holding the end of a rope on which a heavy object is having swung around at constant speed in a circle does not transfer energy to the object, because the force is toward the center of the circle at a right angle to the displacement. No work is done in either case. For further explanation, work is the transfer of energy by force acting on an object as it is displaced, so the work done by a force is zero, if the displacement is either zero or perpendicular to the force. The work done is positive if the force and displacement have the same direction, and the work done is negative if they have opposite directions.